Thank you all for being with Blossom from March till date. We know that the journey hasn't been easy because there are lots of cohorts that people keep dropping off and all that. And by the end of the last week, you realize that not everybody that started actually completed. So thank you for making it this far, and congratulations to everybody here as well.
Something that we recently started doing in Ghana is mentorship for current fellows. So since you are now alumni, you are now in a place to mentor people who are now going to come in the cohort. So when the next cohort is open, we'll reach out to you. Please be open-minded about that. I am actually quite impressed that all 20 of you graduated, so congratulations.